Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro and let me share with you how to change camera colors on this device. So if you're a person who loves to customize their device, change the colors, change icons, etc., I really think that you should do that because you can customize the color of the settings in the camera. Let me show it to you. Let's open the camera up, and I'm talking about the highlighted options. So for example, right here we've got the zoom, and this one option is highlighted, which means that it is set. Same with here with the mode. We've got the photo highlighted, which means that we are in the photo mode. And as I said, we can actually change that color because I mean, this color is still lovely. However, it is a little bit I would say default. So let's change it. Let's try to do it. All we have to do here is to swipe our finger from the top to the center like that to open more options. Then let's go to the settings. So let's tap on this gear icon and here go to general. Here we've got something which is called camera UI color. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the preset of colors from which we can choose. Right now we've got this yellowish one, but we can change it to any other color which is listed here. Each color has also different shades. So for example, after choosing I don't know, blue, we can choose something, or maybe it's not blue, it's turquoise or whatever. This one is blue. So here we've got this paler color, and here the darker one. And here we've got also the example how it will look like after applying. So you do not have to apply it and then go back to check. You can check it right here. So let me choose something from the maybe from pink ones, for example this one. Let's leave it like that. You do not have to confirm anything. Simply go back to the camera, and as you can see, the colors has been changed. So I highly recommend to do that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.